Hi, I'm Brenda, and yes, Carnivore found me. So today my video is going to be on my daily carnivore diet, compliments of my niece. She texted me and she said, Auntie, she says, don't you think people need to know what you eat? And I was like, yeah, that's a great idea. So thank you, niece, for giving me that information. The second inspiration came from a lovely lady in my comments. Let's see if I can find it. Aubriel. Her name is Aubriel, and she talked about dairy in your carnivore diet and whatnot. And so I started thinking about it, and yeah, I kind of eat a dirty carnivore diet. And the reason why I've been eating the yogurt and the fermented vegetables, not a lot, but because I was trying to work on my microbiome. But I started thinking to myself after her comment, and I was saying, okay, carnivore has healed all of these things that I'm going to have scrolling up here. All of those things. And there's only one more thing that I'm dealing with, and that's the inflammation that I'm feeling in my feet and hands. So reading her comment, it inspired me to kind of upgrade my carnivore diet and start doing basically the red meat, salt, and pepper. I'm going to still do my, not pepper, salt, and I'm still going to do my eggs, of course, and my butter. But the third inspiration came from my very, very best friend. She texted me about 4 a.m. in the morning, and she said, are you up? And I'm like, yeah, I'm up at 4 a.m. Anyway, no, I actually was up. I was watching a movie. But anyway, she said, I just got finished watching your videos. And she says, I'm thinking about trying carnivore. And oh, it just touched my heart. I was so inspired. Because a couple of years ago, she'd had a stroke, and she's been on her journey to heal and get better as well. So it really, really inspired me. So those are the three inspirations that I've had to not stick with my carnivore, because I'm going to stick with that anyway, but to upgrade my carnivore diet. So I'm going to be going on a quick little shopping thing to get some more basically red meat. And so we're going to see that here. So we're gonna have to get in where we fit in. We're not doing grass fed. We're just doing whatever we can afford. So this is $7.49. Let's get a couple of this here. Fajita strips. Let's put this in here. And let's see, I like ribeye. No, I'm not really. Let's get some of these.
It's more over here.
Okay. This is 12. You saw it's more down there?
Mm-hmm. And you boom up my way to it.
It's not enough. Okay. I am not good at buying steaks and stuff. Let's get one of those. We going red meat crazy. Oh, there's some more. See what we got here. Oh, these are the big ones here. Let's see. Chuck roast. Let's get 2 of those. The ones with a little bit more fat on. Get those 2. Are you paying attention? Okay. Yeah, give it a shot.
Stop it.
But we can get down.
Move back up, girl.
Actually,
I said back up.
why?
You're in the shot. Okay.
Yeah.
And the baked beans.
Get me 1, 2. those. Here, put these over there. Yeah, what my? Thank you, Yari. Thank you, Yari. You are so helpful. Thank you. Great job. Okay, Carnivore family, this is what we have for our red meat this month for 30 days. And I don't think this is going to last me. So here we got the 85% beef. We did not do the grass fed because we're gonna get in where we fit in. We're not able to afford just pure grass fed. And so I got a couple ribeye steaks and some, what is this? Some stewed meat. And yeah, this is what we're gonna go with for these 30 days. Okay, so this is the first meal of my 30-day red meat. And this is what I'm going to be eating tonight. This is my breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner because I only eat one time a day. However, I'm going to try to start eating 2 times a day. Now, I'm going to cut into this. Experts say you should eat it as rare as possible because you can get the most nutrients out of it. So let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, we're going to have to give it a little bit better than that. But yeah, this is my first meal, so thanks. So there you have it, dinner. So this is my meal for the next day. I have a piece of rib eye and some hamburger mixed with some scrambled eggs, and that's what I'm doing. So there you have it, dinner. So if you notice, this diet is a lot stricter than my previous carnivore diet for the year that I was on carnivore. For that year, if you recall, I started out eating bacon and eggs, and I actually ate bacon and eggs for a whole 3 months after coming out the hospital from being on that vegan diet. So I ate bacon, I ate eggs, I ate liver, what else? Wild sardines, steak, butter. So these were the primary things that I ate in the first year of my carnivore diet. So, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.